Guys, we're going all in. We're going with our bare hands and a little butterfly knife. That costed me $1 million, by the way. $211 damage with one melee weapon. Get over here! We're already second on the leaderboard by just cutting some people up. Oh god. Ow, he got us. But that won't be happening again. Oh shoot. Oh god, he realized that I was there. So the guy in first is pretty sweaty, so all I want in this game is second. Especially the fact that I'm only using a little butterfly knife to guide me to Vic. Oh god, he shot me up. I mean, just look at this. 41 kills. I don't even think I could have done that if I just used my regular sniper I use. Get over here! This is an intense battle. They're all like bunching up. I bet you never saw some random guy with a butterfly knife approach you, didn't you? Okay, let's regen some. Oh, there's a lot of them. Buddy thought he could hide. We tried sneaking up on him, but I didn't look at my HP. Did somebody just shoot me back? Yo, it's this guy. I hate this guy. Oh, shoot. He brought a lot of friends. Okay, so I think we're gonna try sneaking up on the borderline edges. Why do I hear a chicken? Get over here! Come here, newbie. I'm hungry. Oh, shoot. It's so goofy just using that. Oh, a laser just blinded me. Why does it automatically turn my screen? Oh! Okay, we gotta hide for a little. I threw a grenade. What if I actually somehow get a kill? Ready or not, here I come. Who is the guy over here? Come here, Joe. You can't outrun me. Oh shoot, they're like all here. Oh, he just got lasered. The urban legends are true on Noob. Oh god, they're all here! Come here! Oh shoot. Dude, I remember all these guys too. They keep respawning at the same point. What if we get 100 kills from just using the butterfly knife? I'll say that's an accomplishment of some sort. You can't stop the A train, baby. Oh, the spawns changed. We gotta go all the way over here now. Come here! I got some dude and then I died. This guy was not ready for what was coming from. Oh, he got bombed to death. Yo, hey, my bad. You can take everything here. I was just here for moral support, you know. Come on, dude. Where's all the guys at? Oh. Come out here, I'm hungry. Oh, they took him down! They're taking me down! Take him down, Joe! Alright. What do you got? Get over here! They keep going that way. It's such a stupid mistake. Guys, we need one more kill. And that's going to be one of these guys. Come here! Nice. 100 kills. Just using a butterfly knife. Yeah, should we use the nuke? Let's do it. Nice. I barely even saw the... Oh. I didn't need to see that guy. Now we wait. I'm hungry. Bro could not take me. I think the only thing that they could do is get like a sniper or a pump shotgun or something like that. They keep spawning. This is not good. But they keep going for that guy. If they go for me, they could easily take me down. I'm literally just some random guy with a butterfly knife. That's all I am. The spawns changed again. Oh, shoot, I broke his feet. I'm hungry. Oh, no, they got me down. I'm hungry though. What do you do if you see some random guy with a butterfly knife sprinting at you though? You tried running, bro. I don't think these guys understand that they can't outrun me. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna hope that was our team, so I actually have a chance in getting over here. You see, before I had this fancy little butterfly knife, I low-key was just using my hands. But honestly, this butterfly knife is such an improvement. What is he? Oh, God! Yeah, you could deal with those guys, bro. Dude, I'm getting so many levels from just camping this area and slicing them up. Dude, these guys just don't learn. Finally. Oh, shoot, the entire squad pulled up. Wow, dude, smartest FPS players. Finally, dude, this guy finally learned something. But he learned it when it was too late. Oh, no, he actually might... Okay, he finally killed me. Can we get two... I don't think we could get 200 kills. But, dude, we are doing really good with this butterfly knife. I think this has got to be, like, one of the best maps for the butterfly knife. And you can't jump over it either. The hitbox is so broken. It'll still eat you up. I'm hungry! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Nice. Second place shot. Oh, the pit. Oh, wait, face off looks way better. Oh, it's capture the middle. Or just capture the flag. I'm out of here. This guy's just like, bruh, it's the guy with the knife. I want these 2-time kills. Where are... Oh, God. Oh, God. We gotta retreat! Retreat! I'm hungry! I kind of wish those were... This is kind of like one of those games where you get your HP back when you get a kill. You know this guy's sweaty when he's getting this many kills without the flag. I died of death. afraid though. I'm gonna have to go back for the flag. Okay, never mind. Somebody get. Oh, get over here. Okay, so it forces you to stop sprinting when you attack. Don't mind that part. I was just a little blood hungry. Come down here, John. John, come down here. Oh, crap. He got bombed. Oh my god, dude. There's like a whole swarm of them. And I bombed myself. Wait, would I get a kill for bombing myself? No, I probably wouldn't. Ha! Alright. This is why I love the butterfly knife, because it's literally so overpowered for no reason. It does more damage than like every single gun in the game. Not every single gun, but probably like 7/4 of. Did I just say 7/4? It probably does more damage than like 75%. Okay, I gotta get out. I didn't shoot anybody. What are you talking about? Mr. President. Four kills, dude. Oh. I almost just killed my own teammate. But there's not friendly fire. If there was, well, all these guys would be being cut up with butterfly knives. These guys are trying. Oh crap! They were actually shooting me. I mean, if you see somebody in your lobby with a butterfly knife and that's the only weapon they're using, yeah, they're a pretty dangerous guy. Take it from a guy who uses a butterfly knife. It's a pretty dangerous. Ow. I see you, John. That's on our team chat. Oh god, there's so many of them. I like how the other team, dude, they're selling right now. Who even has a flat? Okay, that's somebody from our team, so I don't care. Oh. Hey, guys. Fuck. I'm so pissed I'm using that again. Get your asses over here. Hey, mother chucker. Damn, dude, these guys are creaming me. That's fine, because I am super hungry knife guy, and I will cut you up. Because I am the real Jason. I am Cutter Jason. Get over here! Cutter. Jason does not lose Cutter. Jason will cut you, then you will die because Cutter. Jason is so overpowered, and he will kill you, then you'll die. Holy moly, this rhyme is so nuts. I'll just punch you in the nuts, and you will die of nuts that I just rhyme. Nuts with nuts, and then you'll die because, maybe I died, shit. Oh, yeah. What is the MP5K? Because I need 5 tags. Fire. Oh, I just realized I don't have my gun equipped. Well, that's unfortunate for those guys. Come here. Honestly, bro, who needs to use a gun when we have a butterfly knife like that? Because I am the gunner, Jason. You can't not be Jason because I am super. Oh, you're cooked. That's all I can tell you, noob. You may have gotten a kill off on me, but now you're dead. Oh. I'm low-key just messing around with my special. Oh crap, there's so many of them. Ah! I got shot up, dude. Okay. I'm doing some quick editing real quick. Give me a second. Because I am the Fire Jason. You are not Fire Jason. I'm going to be Fire Jason, and I'm super. Yo, what do you think you're doing, buddy? Get over here. You thought that you could shoot me? Ooh, what is that new one, dude? I want that. I want to spend my money on that. Yeah, do you think we can clutch up and get 100 kills? We're gonna have to use the Waliji Wancha. Never mind, because we're getting instant. That's fine, though. Dude, that last round was crazy. 100 kills with just a knife. And we're doing pretty good this round, too. 85 whole kills with technically just a knife. We may or may not have slipped up with the gun once or twice, but nothing that crazy, right, guys? Right? When we pull up to you guys and hit you with that butterfly knife? Yeah, I don't think so, so you better agree with me. Or else my D will turn green. Come here! You can't hide forever! One last nuke. Boom. I got some money for an assist. I'll take that. Nice. Let's try out the new map. And then that's going to be all for this video. Fruit is fuel for the body. Damn. That's fine. This is a pretty cozy house. But I'm hungry for some flesh. Yo, I'm crazy. How many was that? Like 5? Come here, John. Oh, yo, these guys are getting steamed. Literally, why did they turn blue? Let's go, level 60. I didn't even see myself get a level 59 or 60, dude. If you see somebody running at you, your best bet is to also just run. Because you are not beating somebody with one of these little knives. Oh god, there's so many of them. They're just getting spawn camped at this point. Oh shoot, the guys on the other side are not. Here, you guys can have a grenade. Oh. I accidentally threw down. Hopefully that doesn't kill me. I'm gonna sneak along. I'm hitting these guys with walk speed override. Oh, that guy is a sniper. We gotta be careful of him. I threw a grenade as my last resort. Oh, that's with my grenade! I'm bloody. Well, that... No, that went outside the map. You guys can have that one. You cannot be me because I am ultimate slicey guy and I'll cut you up like a piece of fish and get over here. I really don't like kids like you and you are gonna die because I'm super evil. Holy moly, this song is just super nuts. I'll cut your nuts off and then, yeah, this is gonna be super crazy. Oh yeah, I ran out of lyrics here. Dude, what in the world? Have I just spawn camping at this point, bro? Oh. Oh god, dude, he got bombed. Oh god. I accidentally have this thing out. Okay, let's take a little chill pill. Okay, we got this point pretty clearly, so I'm gonna go. Do you imagine if this thing could hit multiple people? There definitely have to be a nerf on the damage if it could hit multiple people. Oh god. Dude, 217 kills. Please go take a shower. Our spawn's over here now, so we gotta go. Like, we're literally spawn camping these guys, and this guy's getting kills like it's candy. On Halloween, of course. While these guys shoot up those guys, I come in and sweep them all up. Nice. Yo, that's... Holy moly, we got a lot of kills with that. Yeah, I got enough money to buy... Definitely buy some new toys. Should we go figure out what we should buy after this or something? Oh, I'm low. I'm gonna heal a little bit. Oh crap! I did not register that quickly. Are these real people? Let me check real quick. Half these people aren't even real, dude. I don't see a wacky boy anywhere. The guy who just killed me is a bot. Maybe that's why all these guys have the same avatar. Dude, 331 kills. Holy moly. Please go talk to the family again. I think our spawn, yeah, the spawn's changed. Check out some stuff that we could get. Recycle. Can I go back to my lava one? Yeah, wildfire. Freedom. Oh, that's good. Alright, we'll check that stuff out after this round. I want to try to get 100 kills with the butter knife. Holy moly, I just got... Nice, we totally got 100 kills. Right there. Crap. Nice. We got quite a few. Let's just, instead of using the knife for the rest of the game, let's just use the launcher. Oh, I can't see anything. And that is about GG. Nice. Well, that'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Nice.